Flavor with a Beat is brought to you by Grace Kennedy Belize Limited, bringing good taste to life.
And welcome back, and we are of course getting ready for another edition of Grace Flavor with a Beat.
Bam, bam, bam. We're bringing the beat.
You do the dance.
We're bringing the beat.
You have to do the dance.
Sachet. The sachet.
Sachet around the kitchen.
Okay. About sachet, right? The sachet. Oh, okay. We'll get to that later. Good morning, guys.
I thought we were going to have a good Belizean punta, man. Come on. But of course, it's a full house here in Grace's kitchen, and we're getting ready to cook up a storm. Chef Dwayne is here with us, of course.
Good morning, guys.
Yes, and we have a special guest.
Yes, we have our
Tana.
mom representative.
Ana Lucia. I am Ana Lucia.
All right. Ana Lucia is here.
She's helping us. She actually brought the idea for us to do a shrimp soup.
Oh.
Yes, promoting the shrimp consomme that we have. So it's all her idea, and Dwayne is executing on her part. So
you're sous chef today.
Yes.
See? It's caldo de camarón, no?
Exactly.
Okay,
Yes.
great.
And over this side, we're
Or-
doing the tropical yuzu smoothie. Right.
So we have something hot. We have something to cool us down afterwards.
Right. So,
Let's-
we could go before, or
Yeah, I'll do this.
You wanna do it?
This first.
so we
because
could have
it's
something to
easier
drink meanwhile we.
That's
that.
right.
Or we can do both at the same time.
That's right.
Do you want to
It's
get
very-
started?
Let's get started.
Okay.
Okay. So what Malher has done, guys? I want to know about this.
Yeah.
They make it waterproof, right?
Right.
Waterproof. You don't get all that soggy and stuff. You put it up and stuff. So now the basic of a stock in our kitchen we call it stock. One
Yeah.
stock pot is always going. Throw away the potato skin. Throw away the tomato inside. Throw away your okra. Throw away all the backs and stems. But what Malher has done for us, even the shrimp, the skin, you don't throw it away, right? You use it to make a broth. You start your base of your soup, right? Your fish head, your shrimp, your shells, and everything. But see, that's what I like with Malher. Everything the inya. So before I may have to go and boil this, we get this. Malher
You
make it
just
easy.
open a packet.
That's right. So that's what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna start scent up the place, right?
So let me see. So one of the things I'm obviously noticing is that it looks a bit different
The
too.
new packaging we
Yeah.
have for the Malher consomme, it tells you what it is that you can do with it, because people don't really know much of the uses. But you can put it in all of your, let's say you like gumbo. That is something you can use. You can use it in ceviches. You can season your fish with it, lobster, anything seafood.
cocktail.
The shrimp cocktail, of course.
Nice and chill shrimp cocktail.
Right.
So then take away my job, Malher. Actually take away my job and make it easier for me. Thanks, guys. Thanks.
It cuts down that
cuts down-
cooking time.
That's
You
right.
get the plate out faster.
That's right. And stocks is so easy, It's very simple. I'm just gonna use one, man. This is real nice. All right. Let's up it with two. All right.
up
Let's
it
get
with
some
two.
real. See how that easy that is.
And I know a lot of people are already used to using the chicken one. It's just
Yes.
using the different ones for whatever it is that you're preparing.
That's
So
right.
if you're doing something seafood related,
Use the camarón. Then we have the rest, which is beef.
The beef.
And then we have the chicken, right, Anna? The pollo.
The chicken and pollo.
Yeah, so we use that in a lot of things.
Alright.
So I guess
It's-
Marlene
This is
is
the
the
beef.
sachet opener today. So this one is the ablandador, that's tenderizer, but a good thing with this one is that it has seasoning. So apart from being a tenderizer, it also has seasonings in it that you don't really need anything
that
much.
cuts down a lot of space in your kitchen too for all the seasonings that you have to put in.
That's right.
Right.
Open one leaf pack. If you don't use the whole thing, you put it away, right?
Right.
All right. So I have my base, just like that.
One of the most important things that you just demonstrated there was that how easy it melts into the water.
Yes,
Because
it
you don't want to
dissolves
have that powder there
clumpy.
for a long time.
It dissolved real nice.
Yeah.
And I could smell that coming on already, right?
Right, smells good.
See, if we didn't have that, you'll have to put everything and strain it and take it out back. It's a long process to make stock, guys. It's actually takes me a whole day to make a basic from scratch. But this is what? 2 minutes.
Okay.
Done. All right, let me get that started. A little cilantro in there, all right? A little cilantro in there, all right? Okay, now I'm gonna up it with some, I'm gonna use Grace mixed veg. I don't want to throw away the water.
You're gonna put that in
We're
there.
gonna add the water in there. By the time you have to go peel carrots and cut up carrots and beans and celery and everything, it's right in here, right?
Right.
All right?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna use the water in here.
Potato.
Yes, because this is already cooked. This is already steamed. It's already steamed. All right? So we don't throw away nothing in the kitchen. Nothing in the kitchen get thrown away. All right?
This is getting interesting. So what else?
Yes.
So while Dwayne is working,
You want to
that
start with
part,
your drink
yeah.
over there, girl?
He made the rice for the shrimp
Yes.
camaro, the shrimp soup.
Mhm.
But he used the Malher consomme, the
Consomme.
chicken.
Right. So you have a
And
nice.
that is what brought out the
you have a
color.
nice and
So that's
habanero.
that yellow color there.
The yellow.
Right.
Okay.
Because it's summer and we need to be out bright, right, Anna?
So I'm gonna add the shrimp. I'm gonna use half. Why half? Because I'm still looking for a flavor. Remember, shrimp doesn't take long, you know. Shrimp is one of the easiest
we gotta
things to
talk
cook.
about your little kitchen secret here. So you have
Yes.
small slices of habanero.
Yes, man.
Ooh, but you took out the seeds.
You took out the seeds,
So it has the flavor but not the heat?
the heat, right?
Yummy. I'm gonna try
Right.
that.
So
All
Anna,
right.
if you would like to help me with the tropical use,
Aha.
what we have done is that we have frozen our fruits so that
Okay.
we don't use too much ice, because when you do a smoothie, sometimes it's a little bit too liquidy and it
That's
doesn't
true.
blend too well. So what we have done, we have frozen our fruits, strawberry and berries, and so we put that in the blender. And because we want to use different types of fruits, we are using the used strawberry and the used pineapple. Yes.
Strawberry pine.
Yes. So what you do is just buy two, use any flavor that you like, and then you throw that in the blender.
That's a great
as well.
combo right there.
It is.
Right. So we throw
And-
this in.
On this side, we just put in
Yeah, we had the
shrimp,
potato, some tomatoes, some
okra.
okra, ladyfingers. All right?
And look at that, the
And
shrimp's
shrimp.
already cooking. That's
Yes,
a great
that's-
thing about shrimp. It's like blink your eye and it's
Yeah.
done.
Okay, so
So that's that?
that's it. We're
You're
gonna
just
add
gonna let
some-
it boil?
Right, because we're gonna add some veggies. Remember, broth is very simple. The simple broth you make,
Yeah.
it's very good.
All right, I'm back over here.
We're putting in now the Grace coconut milk liquid to give
Oh,
it some
coconut.
creamy. Yes, coconut.
So we have like a pineapple, strawberry, coconut.
Right.
That's very tropical.
Oui.
Exactly. That is why we.
I want to get over there.
No, I'm blocking
No
you.
blocking.
Stay with the soup.
My glass is
Man your
somewhere.
soup.
Where's my glass? Don't
For a
throw
little
away
bit
from the
of
soup.
sugar, we are putting in a little bit of the Grace condensed milk. Not too much, just a little to give it
Okay.
a little bit of taste. It's not coming out.
Well, you
That
know what
remind
you
me-
would do at home, but we won't do
Exactly.
it on
We can't
TV,
do that on
right?
TV.
You can do it on TV.
But you know how to speed up this process at home. Don't pretend like you don't, right?
Give me the pan. Give me the pan. Give me the pan. I remember Granny going like clap me in the head. Why?
Hey, you know what? After all these years, we still have that same problem
That's
with
right,
condensed milk.
exactly.
I think the condensed milk needs a new repackaging too.
Creamy.
Yeah, it's very rich.
It's very rich.
very
So rich condensed milk.
That condensed milk is very, very rich.
Okay.
All right.
Well, let us.
Yes,
we'll
it's in
work-
there. There's
we'll-
some in there.
We'll work on that.
There's some in there.
Of course, you can't have a smoothie without your Benjamin's vanilla.
Yeah.
Of course, so we pour some of this in. You know, you don't really need to measure that.
It's how much you want.
It's how much you want. Ooh. And a little bit of the Benjamin's nutmeg.
These are a lot of flavors going into one drink.
Right. It smells delicious, Marlene. And so we blend that up.
That's it.
That's it. What you will see is you will see a change in color because the juice, this will turn yellow and then this turn red. So you will get a very nice color combo.
It's gonna be beautiful.
Right.
That looks creamy and rich.
And you know what? It's the summer.
Yes,
Things
it
like
is.
these are things that you can do with the kids
With the
at
kids,
home.
right.
Get some frozen fruit, throw it in there, make your own combinations, and you're keeping them engaged. It's not too much of a mess in the kitchen. And they get some fruits in for the day as well.
Yes, you could take it to different level. You could make popsicle and freeze it.
This,
and-
you can do. I know when growing up, they used to have this thing called cold cup.
Ooh, yes.
Right.
And it's very simple. It's used.
Yeah.
And
It's
so
used.
what our chef did
She got that.
for me,
She
I'm
got that.
passing it off like it's my.
Berries.
You go,
my
girl.
work,
You go. You go,
but
girl.
He gave me a little bit of garnish.
You go,
and
girl.
It's just simple lime and your strawberry, but you know, it's my work.
Yes, it's all, I believe you. That doesn't look like something Chef Dewey
No.
would do. No.
Let me see that glass. Let me see that glass.
So what we just put in there
We
is a
add,
mixed
we
veg.
add the mixed veg.
And so there you have it. Use tropical smoothie.
Yummy.
Yum. Beautiful, colorful, and it has a lot of flavor.
Yeah. You know, and I'll say it again. I think, you know, there's no better time to get in the kitchen with the kids.
That's right. That's
Teach
right.
them how to make stuff for themselves, whip up their own breakfast shake, and keep them engaged. That's what's most important.
This is like a good son and pop thing, guys, with soup and everything else.
Guys like soup?
Guys like soup. You live it right there.
I love soup.
Everybody loves soup.
Yeah.
Especially when it rains.
I
Yeah,
know.
when it
When it
rains,
rains,
soup is
all right.
perfect. I think it's a consensus.
Peaceful is perfect, Marlene.
I know. He's going to spill my off-camera secrets.
There you go. It is so, see, it's very simple. Simplicity.
This is your recipe?
Yes.
Ah.
Simplicity is the key, right?
Ana Lucia, did he do it right?
We go all right, approved. Grace Malher, approved. Right?
Okay.
So you just let it boil there for a couple minutes and it's done. What I like, you see this pot?
Yeah.
It's huge. It's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot. You have it today. You're going back home this evening and have some
Right.
and take some to work.
Yeah.
Right.
Broth, even if you don't want all the veggies and stuff, that is what you're looking for right there. That is very healthy. You want the meat and yes.
You can never go wrong with more shrimp. So
That's right.
you
That's
can
right.
put in more.
You know,
Soup, caldo is just the taste you're looking for. The soup is more meaty you're looking for. Bisque, which is, if you want to take this up another level, you just add cream to it and you have a nice shrimp bisque.
Yeah.
Thicker bisque, soup, thinner.
okay. There you go. All.
We learned something
Now,
today.
now I feel like I can talk like a chef, maybe not cook like a chef.
You're good. You're coming along real good.
But let me ask you a question.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you gauge how much of the consommé to put into water to make sure it still has flavor?
Right.
So you decided on two for this amount of water.
Right. Because I know the product.
Yeah.
But as for home who try to be shy away from it, taste is very.
Just taste it
just
along the
taste,
way?
Yes. You got your little spoon on the side. You know you want to taste, right? You blow that. This is heaven. This is breakfast. This
So
is
the same way you
breakfast.
season, you just want to taste it
right.
and see if it has enough seasoning.
Right, if it has enough season, to me it's perfect. I taste the consommé in there. It's not too heavy.
we didn't add any salt.
No
Absolutely.
salt. I taste the garlic in there. There's a bunch of stuff in there we're tasting, right? And of course, you want a little heat.
I was about to tell you, why are you making a soup and there's habanero just sitting on the corner
that's right.
over there?
Mhm. So we could add one if you want it. If you want to up the level,
Oh, you're cooking
If you
like
want
a
up the level,
Belizean. Yes.
I call it a gift.
We could put 3 if you
We
want.
I call
Just
it.
don't pop them.
Don't pop them. I call it a gift. To every soup I serve, there's 1 pepper for everybody. So
Right.
you get a gift.
No, I get
Alright.
it, Dwayne.
Like I said,
get
just
a
don't
gift.
pop them.
No. Well, we
'Cause
guys,
this one
we are
is-
into the popping business,
Yeah.
so. All right, so we can plate that out, man. That's done
It's
already.
done,
It's
yeah.
done. See how quick
And
that
like
was?
I said, it's shrimp, so it
That's
really
right.
takes absolutely no time. Now, the longer you leave this, I guess it'll get thicker because of the
mhm,
okra.
The okra, right? The
You
starchy
do that part.
creaminess in there. All right. And this is very nice. It's very calming. It's something. You have a hectic day. You go home and you got this front of you.
Yeah,
Everything
soup is like
just
comfort
changed. It's a
food.
comfort food, guys. Get into soups. Get into stocks.
Something light,
Get it
it's not too
right,
heavy.
right.
And of course, they have other things you can add.
Yeah.
Right.
Like corn.
Corn and stuff. It's in
yeah.
here. It's in here. Go down to Grace and get that mixed veggies. There's a lot of stuff you could do with that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, wow. That looks
Alright.
great.
I think I want that ball, Dwayne.
You want to change? I'll take the picture of Shake over there.
And are we going to put our consomme
Yes,
rice?
Consomme rice.
Consomme rice.
So we are consomme the rice. Is that like wedding rice?
Okay, let me put it over this side, Dwayne. And this, how long did we take to cook this
that was-
healthy meal?
That doesn't
5-10
take long.
minutes
quick.
max.
Right.
So
Wanna
as
help me there with
easy
that?
as that.
Take
You
that
want to...
Take that off right here.
Yeah, well, this is also traditional Belizean. How will you have soup without rice?
That's right.
Right.
That's
But
right.
you get flavored rice.
Mhm.
Of course, with Grace coconut milk powder or liquid, but
Liquid.
also with Malher chicken. But you can also
So you just put one sachet
One
in here?
sachet.
Right.
While it's boiling, you just add it to the water?
Just add it.
And then I add a little bit of curry. Grace curry. They have curry too. Yes, we have curry.
Yeah.
We have two kind of curry. We have spice and the next one. So just to give it a little smell flavor.
She looks like
That
what she's
soup
doing.
Yes.
smells so good. I'm
And
just
it
trying to
is-
do what I see Dwayne doing all
It
the
is so
time.
nice. It is so nice.
And of course, if you don't want to use the chicken consomme, you can use the rest, the beef,
The beef.
or you
Oh,
can even use the shrimp.
Right. The beef is excellent. The beef is excellent.
See, I still didn't pack it good.
All right. So put
Yummy.
that on there.
Wait. Let me channel my inner Dwayne. Right?
Yes. Go right
let's
ahead.
start.
And we have
I'm
to
gonna
have.
channel my inner. There we go.
Voila.
Now it's perfect.
Seafood, so we're gonna put some lime in there somewhere.
Lime.
Yes, guys, get in the kitchen, get with the kids.
And there you have it. You know, it's oh, that's the beef one.
The beef one. This
Yeah.
is a tomato base, right? It's a tomato base, make it nice, rich.
Right.
This are water, that are soup, that are one stock, right? And that's all. That's all you need. That's
And you
all
have
you
the
need.
bigger containers for the
have
heavy-duty
bigger-
cookers.
right.
You have the plastic packets.
These are what do you call these again?
Refills.
These are
Refills.
refills.
The refills.
Right.
And
These
of
are
course,
refills.
we have our healthy option, which is the Hugo Sal Sartén.
Yes.
Seasoning
The
paper.
seasoning pa- Right.
Right.
No, it's the magic paper. No cleanup.
No.
No thinking required.
Yes, I had fun with
And
that
you
on
can
my
pretend
last.
to be a chef like
There
Dwayne.
you go.
And the food comes out tasting really seasoned. So
And this is my another favorite one. This is very rich in cilantro. Cilantro, you open this, you smell cilantro right away. All right, which is all this stuff is very healthy for you. It's very good.
have a
All
lot of
right.
different spices in it.
Yes, there's a bunch of different spices.
So there we had it. In such a short time, we were able to make a shrimp soup, a Malher shrimp soup,
Malher shrimp
and
soup.
a Yus smoothie. Two easy recipes. We started from scratch right in front of you. The only thing we did ahead of time was cut the vegetables.
vegetables.
That's it.
Yeah.
So you can definitely try it at home and pick up your new sachets from Grace and their outlets. Is there anything happening for the summer?
Well, we're planning something, Marlene. We will let that cat out the bag a little bit later.
I just
but-
love Grace doing it. I just love how these guys do it. There's something happening at the beverage
disappointed when people
division.
don't spill secrets.
But
Come
you
on the
can-
next show. Come on the next show. We got it right there.
You can always visit our social media page. We are doing a lot of giveaways there.
Okay.
We just finished our Short Talks promotion.
Okay.
We had all a different the Carib promotion,
Yeah.
of course, on the Grace Beverage page, and of course, Grace Kennedy is always doing something. You can find us either on Facebook or on Instagram. And sometimes we do flash promotions, like a one-day promotion, where you can win super cool prizes.
Yes, they're very nice.
Find them on Facebook. Ana Lucia, gracias también.
Thanks.
Thank you, girl.
All
Miss
right.
Malher.
Miss
Miss Malher in the
Malher.
house. This is the lady responsible for that nice Malher seasoning and flavor, guys.
I imagine
Thank
what your
you.
test kitchen is like,
Oh,
right? Chef Dwayne, thanks as
Gracias.
always. That's it for us with Grace Flavor with a Beat. We'll take a break and we will be back in a few. Stay tuned.
with a Beat was brought to you by Grace Canada Belize Limited, bringing good taste.